Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English class. Today we are going to see the MUET paper reading. First, let's look into the format of the reading paper. 75 minutes, 7 parts. Question types are multiple matching, MCQ questions and a gap text. No short or long answer needed. You have choices to make, either A, B or C. So choose the best answer. Number of the questions, 40 questions. The weighting of the reading paper is 25% and the maximum score of the reading paper is 90. As you can see on the blackboard, there are 10 styles of questions which are frequently asked. So if you want to get yourself familiarized with these types of questions, then you are advised to do a lot of reading MUET past year papers. These are some of the tips to effectively answer. There are 4 tips. First, read the question. Second, underline the keywords in the question. Keywords refer to the words that shows what the question wants. And then use the keywords to find the answers. You just skim or do a fast reading of the whole text. For further guidance, you can refer to gap text video tutorial. It will give you a complete guide on how to answer gap text. And WH questions video tutorial, it will give you a complete guide on how to answer and understand WH questions. That is all for today's lesson. For the resources, please click on the blog link shared in the description box. Please subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel so you can always get updated with new tutorial videos. We'll see students in the next lesson. Thank you.